Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Kia Sportage GT line. Now of course this is a 1.6 litre petrol. As you can see, you get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. You also get front parking sensors, and then you also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels. Now of course they are a 19-inch alloy. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of design and condition. But coming round to the rear, as you can see, we've got your rear parking sensors as well. We've then got your reversing camera just up at the top there. And then we've got your full electric opening tailgate, as you can see. Then coming inside, once the boot floor is on the upper level, the seats are a 60-40 split, completely flat folding rear bench. Then of course you get your privacy shelf just here, which ensures maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. To drop the boot back down, simply press the button at the top and the tailgate will drop down like so. Walking around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car we have full black leather interior with the red accenting on the outer edges. We've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom and heated rear seats as well. We've got full keyless entry and starters of course as well. Then you've got your electric driver's seat and passenger seat. Then we've got your auto hold, electric handbrake, hill descent, central diff locking, your camera view, parking sensors, and then we've also got your drive mode, of which you can choose between normal and sport. We've got your automatic gearbox in the middle. Then we've got your heated and cooled front seats. On top of that we also have your heated steering wheel in the middle. We've got dual climate control. Then up top you can see we have your Bluetooth hands-free, Android Auto, CarPlay. You'll also have Bluetooth audio. You've then got your various radio sources in the top left as well, just there. You've got full satellite navigation as well. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, volume and track select. Over on the right hand side we have got your cruise control settings and of course your onboard computer controls. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 45,653 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, you also of course have your blind spot monitoring system just here. You've then also got a full glass opening sunroof and showing you the lash remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.